I'm making pimento cheese with Munster cheese and medium cheddar cheese that I grated using the KitchenAid attachment. Four cups of grated cheese and 1 cup of mayonnaise. I use Duke's mayonnaise, Hellman's mayonnaise, other mayonnaise will be fine. And 2 tablespoons of jalapenos. These are from a jar. Slice these up. Here's the 2 tablespoons of chopped jalapenos and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And 4 ounces of diced pimentos, drained. And stir this around. Okay, I'm going to give this a try with the pretzel. That's good.